drive straight up. All the way to the front. And it's like you're driving right in the middle. Everest, come. Everest. All the way forward. Look at you. You can go forward more.
Well, I'm thinking.
Look at that. What do you think? What do you think? Look, it's like you're driving. Look right through the middle.
I can't.
And then this just hooks it. So let me up. Just go straight. Going straight. I'll help you. Whoop, whoop, and that's straight.
Well, I can't see in the back of you. That's the problem.
You can't see in the back of you. Can't tell when you're straight.
Well, not when I'm backing up.
Okay, keep going. That's it.
How's this something?
So it's just this handle right here. You just lift and then spring. And that's it. Boom!
I think we should bring this to the Equison when
Okay, I have to go to the license place today to get our license plates for it. There it is. Justin's gonna feel like he's driving.
yeah,
Because-
sit.
Yeah, that's whatever.